What's up, everybody? Well, today I'm here to do another full house cleaning to test vacuum cleaning performance. This time I thought I would go ahead and feature my Hoover Decade Elite Soft and Light. One of the many variations of the Elites with a different name on it. And another Elite that I'm going to be running a different configuration, like I do all my other cleaning performance videos on these Elites. So for this one, I am going to be running this with its single row brush roll. But if you notice, the design of the brush roll is pretty much an entire full length of bristles, but there's no cutouts in the brush roll. Of course, the little ingest bars are there, but there's no cutout in the brush roll to allow for clearance. A lot of early style Elites actually did this on purpose, both with the single and dual row brush rolls back then. Although some of the higher end models with the 4-bar plastic sole plate use this brush roll design all the way through, and they would have even a bristle right here where this ingest bar is, but they obviously didn't put it in this because it would hit that big large ingest bar there. But weirdly enough, the small ones, they didn't cut out a space in the brush roll to accommodate for the length. But so occasionally you will grind off some bristles right here where it enters, but not a major deal. I think it grooms a little bit better with this style of brush roll versus the one that actually has the cutouts. Maybe one of these days I'll have to do another test of the same single row brush roll with the cutouts. So typical fashion when I do these videos, I run fresh new HEPA cloth bags. I happen to be running a genuine Hoover A bag in this. So it still offers much better filtration than even the genuine paper bags do. So I'm not too sure if there's really a filtration difference between this and the Vacuum America clean bags. But with that said, let's go and get to full house cleaning with this guy. First vacuum I used in a while, where I don't have to start right in the middle of the room because of the stupidly short cord. This one's long enough to actually not be able to do that. So here we go. size of carpet lines as usual. Really love the lines that it makes. Even for a single row, it definitely grooms very good. Agitation's actually pretty good, thanks to the bristles being pretty stiff. I mean, that's just how stiff the bristles are. So, cleans very good. And so, we'll see how this all stacks up once we reach the end of the cleaning. So, let's continue. And like that, full house cleaning is all complete. Really a pleasure to use this as much as any other Elite that I get in my collection. And for now, let's go ahead and see how much this thing picked up. Let me try to get this off on camera. One thing I will credit these Genuine A bags for is how very tight this rubber seal creates around the collar. Definitely a lot towards the bottom. A little bit of mixture of fibrous material from the downstairs rug, and definitely a lot of fine dust, and occasionally some pet hair mixed in here and there. There's a better shot. That's how much got picked up. So, fantastic results. And now let's go ahead and wrestle this back in here. All right. Tuck this back in as best as we can. And there we go. Well, everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this full house cleaning with this Hoover Decade Soft and Light. Be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.